confidence, what it is, and how to build it. There are three compliments that I get more than others, and they are the following. In third place, I will get a compliment along the lines of, I love your energy. Second place, I will get something along the lines of, you've got such a powerful presence or aura, or something like, I really like the way you carry yourself. First and most common compliment that I get is, and I quote, you are so confident. Now, what is interesting is that none of those has anything to do with my actual outward appearance. And what's interesting about those three compliments is that they are all intangible. They have nothing to do with my outward appearance. I'm a linguistics girly. I love words, and I think that within words, you have the answers to the concepts you're trying to learn more about. So, funny enough, the root word for confidence is confidere. It means to confide in oneself. That is the literal translation for that. Or to trust in oneself. Confidence is effectively the act of trusting oneself and being able to confide in oneself. So let's take the first part of that.